welcome to Best of TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys our new Elite Tumbler heat press, but it's not Elite now, it's called Elite Pro Max. Yes, we upgraded and make it more powerful and more multifunctional. The Elite Pro Max Tumbler heat press has a larger and a higher structure with a larger space to attach the heater, so it's compatible with more heaters now. We have 11 brand new heaters for the Elite Pro Max. I just said brand new because all these heaters are not compatible with the first Elite Tumbler heat press. They are for the new machine. And the heaters include this largest 28 centimeter long tumbler heater. It can print many large tumblers, bottles, and mugs with a diameter of 8.8 to 10 centimeters, such as this very large 32-ounce stainless steel bottle and this 20-ounce ceramic mug. And here is another large tumbler heater. It's smaller than this one. It's 27 centimeters long and special for the 30-ounce skinny tumblers. And here is the heater special for the 17-ounce and 12-ounce Stemless wine cups. And here, as the picture shows, we have a tumbler heater special for the most popular 20-ounce skinny tumblers, and also this smaller tumbler heater for skinnier tumblers and bottles like our 17-ounce glass skinny tumblers. And here are the two mug heaters for the 17-ounce and the 12-ounce tapered mugs. And we also have 3 straight mug heaters for different sized mugs from 3-ounce to 15-ounce. And the last is our is the smallest heater for the 1.5 short glasses. You can buy the Elite Pro Max Tumbler heat press alone, and it will come with one largest tumbler heater. And we also provide 2 special heater bundles. You may choose 11 in one bundle and get all the heaters I just mentioned, or choose this 3-in-1 bundle, which is this video is about. By purchasing the 3-in-1 Elite Pro Max Tumbler heat press, you will get one largest 28 centimeter long tumbler heater, one 27 centimeter long tumbler heater, and one heater for the Stemless wine cups. And next, I'm going to print some items with these heaters, and if you are interested in the final result, please keep watching. 3-in-1 Elite Pro Max Tumbler heat press. We will also make a video about the 11-in-1 Elite Pro Max. Please subscribe our channel so you won't miss the updates of that video. And if you like this video, if you like the machine, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to place your orders, please send email to best@bestup.net. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.